So what's your Ultra Wellness score? Do you know how sick or well you are? Do you know which specific biological imbalances are leading to your weight gain or diabetes, your ill health, your mood problems, or even brain fog? Do you know there's a simple way to learn the answers to these questions and give you the power to heal yourself? All you have to do is take a simple quiz. When someone comes to see me in my practice, I take their personal history of their illness. That information gives me really important insights into the exact dietary and lifestyle and environmental and genetic factors that are driving illness. For example, are nutritional imbalances leading to poor energy and weight gain? Is there a hidden thyroid disorder? Maybe that's causing them to be a little depressed. Maybe they've been exposed to heavy metals and it's causing memory problems. Or maybe they've become insulin resistant and pre-diabetic. Or maybe they're allergic to foods they eat. Or maybe there's a hidden fire in their body that's wreaking havoc on their cells. Or there's some other hidden cause driving their condition. These are the kinds of questions I ask myself as I interview patients. And together, we dig deep and we discover the real causes of their illness. Now, once these are identified, I can prescribe specific interventions that are tailored to their personal, genetic, environmental, and lifestyle needs. By treating the system, not the symptoms, the results I see are miraculous. Disease disappears surprisingly quickly. The body heals itself, and patients report an experience of what we call ultra wellness. It's a state of optimal health, of energy and vitality, of a calm and focused mind. Now, at the heart of the process are a simple set of questions. Then, when answered honestly, provide a window into the real causes of suffering and illness. Now, these questions, in part, are based on the questions your doctors might ask you to make a diagnosis, but mostly they're based on emerging research that provides a whole new roadmap for chronic illness and a path toward healing and optimal health. Now, I've decided to pull back the curtain and share with you this information to put more power in the hands of you, the patient and health consumer, to take back your health. That's why I created this Ultra Wellness quiz. Now, your score on this quiz, your Ultra Wellness score, is going to tell you how healthy you are. It'll tell you where your biological imbalances lie and how severe these imbalances are. Knowing this is going to help you determine exactly what's making you ill and what you need to do to get healthy. Now, there's a taste of this quiz that I'm going to give you right now. And if you answer yes to any of these questions, you may have critical imbalances that are causing your symptoms and diseases. So let's get started with nutritional imbalances. If you answer yes to any of these, you might have a problem with nutrition. I have a low intake of dark green leafy vegetables. I have muscle cramps or anxiety. I hardly ever go out in the sun. My skin is dry, itchy, scaly, or flaking. My nails are soft and cracked and brittle. And I have white spots on my nails. All these can be signs of nutritional imbalances. Next, let's see if you have hormonal imbalances. I have extra belly fat. My waist is bigger than 35 inches if I'm a woman or more than 40 if I'm a man. I have sugar and refined carb cravings. My doctor told me my blood sugar is a little high. Or maybe I've been diagnosed with prediabetes or diabetes. Maybe the outer third of my eyebrows are thinning. Maybe I'm sensitive to cold and have dry skin. Maybe I'm losing my hair, or I'm tired or depressed or constipated, or I no longer have interest in sex. Or maybe I have sort of fluctuations in my weight every month. These may be signs of hormonal imbalance. Now let's look at inflammation. If you answer yes to any of these questions, you might have hidden inflammation. I get colds and infections frequently. I have allergies and asthma. I have food sensitivities or allergies, or maybe I don't feel well after eating. I get sluggish or headaches or maybe some brain fog. I have an autoimmune disease like arthritis or lupus. I don't exercise more than 30 minutes 3 times a week. And any of these things can be a sign of hidden inflammation. Now let's see if you have digestive imbalances. I use antacids a lot, like Maalox or Tums or acid-blocking drugs. I feel bloated or full, or maybe I have belching or burning or flatulence right after I eat. I have chronic abdominal pain. Maybe you feel tired after eating. I have a bowel movement less than once or twice a day. I have heartburn or constipation or diarrhea or colitis. If any of these things apply to you, you could have digestive imbalances. Now let's see if you have detox imbalances. Are you toxic? I produce only small amounts of urine only a few times a day, and it's dark and smells strong. I drink bottled water from plastic containers or unfiltered tap water or well water. Most of my clothes are dry cleaned. I get my house or apartment treated by an exterminator for bugs, or I use household chemicals to clean my house or lawn chemicals to clean my lawn. I live in an urban area or industrial area. I eat tuna or sea bass or swordfish more than once a month. Any of these things can indicate problems with detoxification. Now let's see if you have energy imbalances. If you answer yes to any of these, you might be imbalanced in your energy, like I'm experiencing fatigue or chronic or prolonged fatigue. I'm too tired to do a lot of the things I'd like to do. Fatigue interferes with my work and my family and my social life. I'm not really refreshed when I wake up. I have muscle weakness or aching. Now, any of these can indicate imbalances in your energy metabolism. And lastly, let's see if you have stress and adrenal imbalances. Say, my life is stressful, or I'm easily startled after, or I get panic attacks. I feel tired and wired. When I stand up, I feel dizzy and I crave salt. These might indicate adrenal or stress imbalances. So if you've answered yes to any of these or all of these questions above, you could have deeper imbalances that are driving your health conditions. These are just simple teaser quizzes that I've provided for you to understand whether you have these imbalances or not. The longer, more detailed quizzes that help you really figure out where the imbalances are and how severe they are available online at drhyman.com. So go there now and take the full version of the quiz. And when you do this, you're going to get a few things. You're going to get your personalized Ultra Wellness score. You're going to get a complete description of the imbalances in the 7 key systems of your body. And you're going to get, most importantly, personalized recommendations from me explaining exactly how you can overcome these imbalances and get to optimal health. You'll also learn about foods that help create balance and supplements and lifestyle changes designed to help you overcome these imbalances. And you're going to get a free account on my website and community where you can track your Ultra Wellness score and share it with others and interact with other people who suffer from the same health problems and more. Knowing your Ultra Wellness score will give you a quantitative assessment of your health status and will provide you a clear portrait of the real causes of your disease and your risks. More importantly, it's going to give you all the tools you need to rebalance your body and heal. It's your key to Ultra Wellness. So go to drhyman.com now and take the full quiz today.